Let's talk culture. Our culture calendar is something that we build right in the beginning of the year or sometime during the summer before we start the year. Basically, those are the events that are going to happen throughout the year. They're going to be the fancy Friday lunches and the pickleball tournament and the kickball tournament and the flash mobs in the cafeteria, whatever else that we're doing. It doesn't always have to be around a holiday. It can be around any time, like the Monday you come back from vacation. I always like to do something special when we come back from vacation, because I'd rather have kids look forward to coming back versus counting the days before they leave. So when you think about your culture calendar, you put all these things in place at the beginning of the year. It doesn't mean you're not going to add to it throughout, the year as things come up. You might get some great ideas mid-year, but really make sure you want to do this, because here's what happens. There are certain times in the year, right around February, March, April, or even early, we might get in October, where you might find yourself in a little bit of a slump. And you need a little bit of recharge. Like, how you come out of a gate or a workshop and you're like, yeah, we're doing this. So if you have that calendar built with ideas and you find around March you need that shot in the arm, you go to that calendar and say, oh yeah, we got this coming up. Because even Green Sock Day is better than not knowing how to recharge throughout the year.